So, if you want to make some elements here on Wix as a sticky section, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to go ahead and just enter into editor, or you want to enter into your editor for your Wix website. So, by the way, I'm using Wix Studio here. So, what do you need to do? So, in this case, you want to go and just go to your elements here, click on the plus button, and you want to go and just choose a section here or a container. Depends on what you want to achieve. So I'm going to add a container here, or you could go and add a full section if you want. Click on this one, and check sections. Now I'm going to add a really simple one here. So I'm just going to just add a blank section. Let's go and just add it in here. Now this section here. Now, what we need to do next is you want to go and start adding whatever you want. So, for example, in here, I want to go ahead and just add let's just say like a quick text here. So, let's go add a heading, the center, and just say whatever you want in here. But yeah, once you're done, what you need to do is you want to select your section, go to the right side here. You want to go and scroll down a bit here. You want to go to position, choose position type here, and you want to go and choose sticky. Now, once you choose sticky here, it's not going to stick into your screen. Obviously, you won't be able to see it in here. But if you want to keep this in front, or you could go and do that as well. Now, you also have the offset here if you want to offset the positioning and where it's going to stick. Is it going to stick at the top, at the bottom, or both bottom and top? Let's go and choose both. And from here, just going to just click on the preview button. Now, what's going to happen here is if you go to a certain section, as you can see, it's sticking into your edge. So it's going to stay there. And that's how you do it. Now, obviously, you can go and do more advanced stuff here if you want. Like, just make sure that every element that you want to stick is inside the section so that it actually stays in the screen. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.